watch as Randy flies to the bottom of the loop. He's going to call blue out now. Watch the two outriggers. That's intake and Zippy. They're going to pull from the formation right about now. Now as the diamond completes the roll, the diamond will fly outbound to get it set up for a next series of maneuvers. But I want you to keep an eye on pilots 5 and 6. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a pilot flying to the right, over turn 11. You've got another one to the left. Over turn 7. Intake's going to make the call.